In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage cards in a project using the Card Table tool. This will help you organize tasks efficiently and keep track of progress within your team. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to ensure that the Card Table tool is enabled in your project. This can be done by heading over to the menu, where you'll scroll down to find the option labeled Change Tools or Setup Tools. You'll want to make sure the Card Table tool is checked or activated here. Having this tool enabled is essential because it provides the functionality we'll be using to create and manage our cards, which are, in simple terms, your task cards or to-dos in the project management system. Once the Card Table tool is all set up and ready to go, navigate to the Card Table view within your project. This is the space where all your team's tasks will appear as individual cards, giving you a visual representation of your workflow. You'll find this view under your project's navigation panel, and entering it should feel like stepping into your project's command center. Now, look around the board area. You'll notice a button that reads "Plus Add a Card." This is usually positioned at the top of the board or sometimes within a section labeled as Triage. Clicking on this button opens up the card creation form, which is essentially your toolkit for defining and detailing the tasks you want to add to your project. In the card creation form, start by entering a compelling and descriptive title for your card. This title acts as the first point of reference for you and your team members and helps summarize the task at a glance. Consider including keywords that will make it easy to identify the card's purpose later on. Next, you have the option to assign the card to a person on your team. Although this step is optional, assigning a person to the card clarifies who is responsible for the task and makes accountability straightforward. It's as simple as selecting a team member's name from a drop-down menu, directing their focus to this particular task. If your task has an important deadline, setting a due date is the way to go. While it's another optional feature, adding a due date ensures that everyone knows when this task should be completed. It fosters a sense of urgency and helps your team prioritize work effectively. Finally, there's the description field, where you can provide additional context or instructions about the card. This field is optional too, but adding a description can be very helpful. It allows you to offer more detailed information that ensures everyone is on the same page and alleviates any uncertainties about what the card entails. There you have it. By following these steps, you're well equipped to create and manage cards in the Card Table view of your project, enhancing your project management effectiveness. Happy organizing!